Python. About each type we have to discuss. Okay, now? So first comprehension means what? Its purpose is what? We will discuss, guys. Okay, check it here. The process of creating new sequence object by using existing sequence object is called as comprehension in Python. So sequence means here in Python, sequence object is nothing but group of values of values values or couple of values or range of values are called as a sequence object. So we have one sequence object with some elements, guys. Using this sequence object we can generate a new sequence as per our requirement. Using the existing sequence object we can generate the new sequence object as per our requirement. This is called comprehension. By writing less lines of code, concise lines of code. Okay, no? By writing direct lines of concise, or simply by writing the concise lines of code, it means direct lines of code we can write. We can generate one sequence object using the existing sequence object. For example, here this is one sequence, guys. List sequence assumption. This is the list object or consider like list sequence. So here lot of elements there, guys. Lot of elements there. So like this 10, 11, 12, 14, 23, 25, 81, 85, like this different values there, guys, in this sequence assumption. Okay, so here some are even numbers, some are odd numbers there. I want to filter out all the even numbers and I want to return like a new sequence. In that new sequence only even numbers are available, guys. Okay, only even numbers are available. Okay, just I'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10, 11, like these numbers there in the list object. So out of these all elements only even elements I want to find out. So only even elements means 2, 4, 6 and 8, 10. These are the even numbers, guys. These are the even numbers. Okay, so it's like a even object or even list, simply like a even list object. Like this I want to generate. Okay, so what is comprehension? If anyone asking, the process of generating the new sequence object by using the existing sequence object by writing the concise line of code is called as comprehension. All of you clear, guys? Simply one existing object there, using that one more new object we are going to create as per the requirement. So we can filter out the elements as per our requirement by writing concise lines code. So here how many types of comprehensions there? It means 4 types of comprehensions there, guys. We have 4 types of comprehensions: list comprehension, dictionary comprehension, set comprehension, generator comprehension. Like 4 types there: list, set, dictionary, generator comprehension. This generator comprehension looks like a tuple comprehension. It looks like a tuple syntax but not tuple. It is like a generator comprehension. Some people, guys, list, set, dictionary, tuple comprehension, they like that they are explaining. That is absolutely wrong. This fourth one is generator comprehension, not tuple comprehension. Okay, I'll let you know the difference between them. Okay, now? So we have these 4 types of comprehensions in Python. Each one we will discuss. So in comprehension, generally what we are doing means basically it is basically a way of writing a concise code block to generate a sequence object which can be a list object, dictionary object, set object, or generator object. Okay, no? So using one existing sequence we can generate a new list or dictionary or set or generator object as per the requirement by writing a concise block of code. Okay, simple block of code, guys. So because of this comprehension, more fast performance there, execution speed increases. Instead of writing the for loop and normal conditions, if we are using the comprehensions for filtering the elements, more fastly executing, performance of the coding mode there guys, more fast execution speed is there. Okay, and also simple code we are writing, less lines of code, direct lines of code we are writing. Because of this, readability increasing, complexity decreasing, lines of code decreasing guys. Okay, so like a lot of benefits there. That's why we are going to use comprehensions for filtering the values based on the requirement. All of you clear? Definition and purpose, comprehension, definition and purpose, and the types of comprehension. 3 points we completed right now. So one by one, now we will discuss this. So one point remember guys, so list comprehension concept is very, very important. And if you are understanding the list comprehension, so remaining three things same procedure only there, just syntax is, brackets, braces only changing. List comprehension means square brackets we are using. Set comprehension means curly braces we are using with the comma separating value. Dictionary comprehension means curly brace with the key column value we are writing. Generator comprehension using the parenthesis like a tuple we are creating. Only that braces only changing guys. So remaining concept as it there. Okay. Already we know about the list, set, dictionary, tuple. Same like that we are going to create. Okay, no? Yes. So now first list comprehension we will discuss. So list comprehension means the process of creating the new list sequence object. New list sequence object by using the existing sequence object is called as a list comprehension, like we can say it. So existing sequence object can be any type of sequence object, but we can generate list sequence type, that is called list comprehension. Set type, if we are generating the new sequence, set comprehension. Dictionary type, if we are generating, considering like a dictionary comprehension. Like that only term changing guys. Okay, no? So now here check it. List comprehension provide a concise code block to create a new list object using the existing list of existing the sequence object. Using existing sequence object can generate the new list object by writing the concise block of code. That is a list comprehension guys. So it consists of brackets containing an expression followed by a for clause, and then zero or more for or if clauses. This is a syntax related rules guys. If we want to follow the if we want to follow the if we want to create the list comprehension related logics, so first of all we have to follow the syntax guys. We have to follow the syntax. So here first square brackets we are using for list comprehension. Square bracket followed by expression guys, followed by expression, followed by for clause. For clause means for loop related. Okay, so square brackets must be required, expression must be required, for clause must be required. These three important. Followed by optional, for clauses or if clauses. For clauses or if clauses. This one check it. It consists of brackets, square brackets containing an expression. This one followed by a for clause. Okay, this one, and then zero or more for or if clauses as per the requirement. Okay, no? So here optional, optional for or if clause. Okay, simply understanding purpose I'm writing optional for or if clauses, zero or more we can write in a single line only we can write it. Okay, this is the syntax guys. This is the syntax. Okay, based on that now we'll write the logic here. So open the ideally. Okay, here the notepad. Today I'll create notepad, guys. So control N, control S. Saving later and 3. Comprehension program.py. Okay, simply I saved like this. Okay, no problem. Now here write the logics, guys. So how to find out even elements or even numbers from a given object or from a given sequence object. Okay, we have one sequence object with some numbers, with even numbers, odd numbers. From that only even numbers, how to find out. Okay, so using the normal for loop I want to write it, guys. For example, right now list list of numbers, simple list numbers equal to, here you can write any number, guys. So 22 is there, 43 is there, 11 is there, 17 and 14 and 34. Okay, so like this, guys. For example 8 5, okay, 2, like this there. So here some are even numbers, some are odd numbers there. Only I want to filter out even numbers, guys. General for loop, if we are writing, how we are writing? For I in list numbers, for I in list numbers, this is the list, guys. For I in list numbers, okay, list of numbers. Each number getting into I, we are going to check condition. If I modulo division by 2 double equal to, simply here I'll write I modulo division by 2 double equal to 0. If this condition is right, that I value is a even number, considering like a even number, guys. Okay, so then even numbers related one list you can create, even numbers list, guys. So even numbers equal to empty list I created. So now here these even numbers copy.
We want to go to.
Sir, we are not able to see your screen, sir.
No, it's visible from.
Refresh your side.
I've been asked.
Are you able to see now?
Literally was asked.
Yes, sir, I'm able to see, sir. Thank you, sir.
Visible.
Okay, now see here. So even numbers there. Into this, that I value I want to add, append method I'm using, I value I added. Okay, so after completing entire for loop, now you can print even numbers. Okay, no? So save it, execute. Check it, guys. Here list of even numbers, list of numbers there, both even and odd numbers there here. So one empty list I created with the name even numbers. Empty list I created. So for loop I created from the list of numbers, each number I'm getting, that number is divisible by 2 is double equal to 0 or not, comparing. So this I value after modulo division by 2 result, if 0 is there, okay, if 0 returns, then double equal to 0 matching. So if it is matching, that is even number confirmation. Then that I value adding into this even numbers list. Okay, even numbers list. So like this loop completely iterating as one by one iterating. First this one, next this one, next this one, like that, each value iterating. So finally after completing all iterations, then in this even numbers list only even numbers are available. Okay, so now execute. Invalid syntax, here 2 commas there, guys. So remove 1 comma, save it, and now see here only even numbers getting or not. In this list only even number there. So definition is what? From the existing sequence object we can find out our required sequence object based on the requirement. by writing the concise block of code is called as comprehension. If you are generating the list type object called as list comprehension, if you are generating the set type object called as set comprehension, like that. But right now this is not comprehension, this is normal conditions, normal for loop and conditions I used, general concept. Okay, so how to find out the even numbers from a given object using normal logics, simply using normal for and if logics, okay, for loop and if logics related normally I created here. Okay, so these things already we discussed previously. Okay, now using the comprehension I want to do it here. So using list comprehension, using list comprehensions, how to do the same code, finding the even numbers related only. So here this is object, guys, this is object, given list of elements there here. Now list comprehension means square bracket is required, and then expression I said followed by the for loop, guys. So here for I in list of numbers, guys. So here list of numbers there. So for I in list of numbers, same this logic I created. For I in list of numbers, from the list numbers each value getting into I. This I value is even or not, I want to check it. How we are checking? Based on this condition. Okay, so in the same line condition we can write, if I modulo division by 2 double equal to 0. So first, guys, here this I value is getting into here from the list. Now this I value is sending to this condition. Okay, if this condition satisfying returns true, a true return, that value return to this expression. Okay, so here what you want, that you can do. So I want to add this I value into this list. So this statement, this is nothing but this line. Okay, using append method, I value we are adding into the list. So now here without using any append method or anything, directly this I value adding into this list. Square bracket means list, directly adding into the list. Okay, now that is the concept. This I value is adding into this list, guys. So here no need of creating the empty object separately. So directly you can write and you can print. So I'm going to printing all even number sequence. So print it, check it, same result you're getting. Same result you're getting. But how many lines code I created here? Just one line code I created here. One line code I created here, many lines code created. Okay, now? So including this one, if you are considering, see here many lines there, here 2 lines only there, guys. So this is a major line code. Okay, so my requirement is, guys, so here lot of numbers there, even and odd numbers there. I want to find out only even numbers and I want to return. I don't want to save in the memory. If I don't want to save in the memory, if I'm writing like this, so with this name, one empty list object generating in the memory, later here into that memory each even number value adding. So finally in the memory allocation, even numbers related list object available with name even numbers, with reference name even numbers, and then we are printing. Okay, after printing also this memory is existing in the memory location, but my requirement, I don't want to save in the memory, just I want to find out what are the even numbers and I want to return. Okay, but here the memory is wasting. Still after finding the even numbers and printing also, memory is maintaining in the memory location. So that's why to overcome this problem we can use this comprehension. Directly you are finding the even numbers and returning. You are not saving in the memory location. If you want to save in the memory location, then you can assign to one variable like this. This entire syntax you can assign to one variable. That variable you can print it. Okay, this is the list comprehension. Come on, let me know. Are you clear about this syntax for this example? Slowly, I will let you know number of examples. Come on, guys. Everyone is clear this one? Hope all people following. If you know this one, if you are able to write this code, so comprehensions more easily we can write. So this for loop only I created, this condition only I created. So if that condition satisfying, that I value is adding into the list. That's it. Now here this is the list comprehension guys. All the comprehensions at a time I'm telling, just to check it. So here next set comprehension I'm talking guys. Set comprehension. So set comprehensions means the process of generating the new set object using the given sequence object. Okay, using the given sequence object, if we are generating the new sequence object as per our requirement by writing the concise lines, concise block of code, is called as set comprehension. So now check it here. Set comprehension means immediately curly braces we are using. Curly braces. Okay. So for loop I'm writing first of all for I in. See, this is a list. Simply consider like one sequence. Consider like one sequence, guys. This one. So now here for I in sequence, guys. For I in list numbers, each I value is getting from the list numbers into I, and now I'm checking I. If I modulo division by 2 double equal to 0 means the same syntax. So that I value I want to add into the set. So using add method we are adding as same like that. Okay. So here in the list comprehension square bracket syntax I used. Same thing here curly bracket syntax I'm using. This is called set comprehension. So from the existing sequence object, if we are generating the new set sequence based on the requirement is called as set comprehension. And now this you can print. Okay. So now save it and print. See here, set of even numbers coming. Set does not follow the ordering, inserting order. That's why different order generating. Okay, same above elements only there. This above one is a list comprehension I used, and this one set comprehensions I used. Okay, now. So if you are understanding about the list comprehension, so set comprehension is nothing but just only braces changing. Instead of a square bracket, curly braces we are using, and using the existing sequence object. The process of generating the list sequence object using the existing sequence object is called as list comprehension. Now you can say here about the set. The process of generating the set sequence object using the existing sequence object by writing the concise block of code is called as set comprehension. Is that clear? Set comprehension. So separately no need to discussing about the set comprehension, just the braces changing. So list comprehension related a number of examples will do practice. Okay. Now here the even numbers we find out, guys. Here even numbers find out. So next here range function also we can use if you want. Print list comprehension means curly brace. First for loop you can write, guys, always. For I in range of 10 numbers there is. For I in range of 10. Okay. So each I value I want to add into the list. So simply list of 10 numbers generating here. Sequence of numbers. List of 10 numbers generating. Okay. So using the for loop, guys, from the range of 10, 0 to 9 values generating, each value getting into I, that I value is adding to here. Okay, this is the generating the sequence of numbers and returns like a list. Okay, no? So this is the one program. Next print and one more list. So for loop for I in range of 10, for I in range of 10, okay, range of 10 values getting. Out of these 10 values, some are even number there, some are odd number there, guys. So if I modulo division by 2 double equal to 0, that I value I want to add into this I. Okay, from the range of 10 numbers only, even numbers you are finding and then printing. Okay, so these are the even numbers. So here execution statements you can see, guys. So first this one, okay, this is the step 1. From the range of values, each value getting into I. Okay, now this is the step 1 related answer. So next step 2 is this one. Step 2 is this one, guys. So this each I value is sending to this condition. Each I value is sending to this condition. Okay, so this condition returns true or false, guys. So this is a second step. This is the second step, guys. Okay, so next third step is this one. This I value is adding into this list. Okay, using append method like that internally. So this whatever the I value returns to true by this condition, this I value return to here. This I value return to here. So this is which statement? Okay, this one is third statement. This is the third statement. Okay, I value return to this expression. Now this expression value adding into this list. This is the fourth one. Or else you can consider like a third statement only. Directly I value adding into the list. Okay, na? This is the execution flow, guys. Hope you are understanding. Now next so here even numbers there, guys. So I want to return all even numbers related square values. How to return all even numbers related square values from the given sequence. So right now here sequence of value there. So numbers, each number is a even number or not finding here. If yes, that I value means that even number value sending to the list. So I want to return even numbers related square values. Then here I into I, like you can write. This is called expression. Okay. So now you're getting even numbers related square values. Clear this one? This is a square value sequence. Even numbers related square value sequence. Then power values also we can find out. So what they are asking as per the requirement, you can write the logic. As per the requirement, you can write the logic. Okay, and now here coming to the dict comprehension, guys. Dict comprehension using dict comprehensions. Okay, so here range of values there, guys. Range of values there. Each sequence value here, first of all I'm writing like this. So each sequence value getting and adding into the list. So dictionary means which one? Curly brace we required. So only curly brace if you are writing, comma separating values generating. This is called a set comprehension. But I want a dictionary comprehension. Dictionary means a key column value format. So from this sequence, guys, each value is like a key of the dictionary, and its square value is like a value I want. Then here, so I column I into I column I into I. This is called expression. This is called expression, guys. So I is nothing but each sequence value. That is like a key of the dictionary. Its square value is like a value. Key column value format I created. So now you can execute. See here. Key column value format generated. Sequence of values as the keys of the dictionary. Its square values as the values of the dictionary I created. All of you clear, guys? Okay. So here the only I if you are writing, that is a set comprehension. I column something value format also if you are writing, that is called a dictionary comprehension. Sometimes asking us find the even numbers from the sequence. Those all even numbers as the keys of the dictionary, and its double values as the values of the dictionary asking. Okay, na? So double values as the values of the dictionary I want to find out. Then here, first of all, for I in range, sequence of values getting into I, and that I is a even number or not, I want to check it. I modulo division by 2 double equal to 0. So if that I is matching this condition, then return to this expression. So I as a key means even number as a key, and its double value I into 2 as a value of the dictionary. So this one, all even numbers as a keys, and those even numbers double values as a values generating. This is called dictionary comprehension, dictionary format. Okay, no? So without a value, just only I value if we are using, that is a set comprehension. Okay, list comprehension means a square bracket we are using. So depending on the situations we can use, guys. Depending on the situations we can use. Will be clear? This one. So check it here. Now here, next one, list of words, or else simply
List
here,
of the art.
check it here, one input string equal to something we can write here. So for example, Python is easy language. Python is easy language and powerful language. Okay, so Python is easy language and powerful language, like number of words there, guys. So here number of words there, every word here in this lot of words there, every word as a dictionary key, guys. Simply every word as a key of the dictionary, and its length, every word is having some length, its length as a value of that dictionary key I want to return. How do you return? Guys? Are you able to do that? Check it out. Carefully check it out. First of all, are you understanding my question?
Yes.
Every word from this thing as a key of the dictionary, and its length as a value of this dictionary I want to return that. Okay, so now here using the dictionary comprehension I want to do. So here print which one dictionary I want to print. Okay, so now first here, okay, in the single line only if you want to write, you can write, guys, or if you are getting confusing, first you can break it like multiple lines of code, and later you can reduce the lines of code. That is your wish. Okay, here for I in so now here this is the input string, guys. This is input string. So from this input string, each character getting into I don't want character, I want to word. So right now this string like a list of words wise I want to divide. How do you divide? How to return a given string as a list of words? How to return, my dear students? Let me know. Come on, give reply. This one like a list of words wise I want to return. How do you return?
We have to split based on the space
Yes.
and save.
Split method. Simply you can tell like by using the split method. That's it. Later I'll write. So this is a string. If you want, you can see, guys. Already in the Python string handling I explained. Okay. So now this is a string. This is a string. So input string split method, then list of words wise you're getting. Okay, string dot split method. So now here this is our string. So string dot split method I'm using. Now here list of words there. List of words there like this. Okay, list of words like this there guys. So now using the for loop each word is getting. Okay, so into this I each word is getting. So if you want a word like you can write for word in list of words guys here. Okay, if you don't want write here separately you can write this one. So simply here list of words equal to this one. Okay na? So using this concept given string converted into list of words. So I assign to one variable called list of words. Now this list of words variable you can write. Okay, so like this. Now from the list of what each word is getting here. Okay, so that word just adding into this expression. Right now only you're going to get what is you're getting set format comma separating words we are getting, duplicate words not coming. Python 2 times there, here and here. Okay, Python is easy language and okay, all are one time only there. Okay, so that's why every word you're getting. If any duplicate words there, you are not going to get it. Okay, so all words there guys. So every word is like a key. I want key means so key column value format. This is a key and the value what I want, length of this word. Every word length how you are going to get, using len function. Using the len function every word length you are going to get it. So now you can check it. This is a code. Okay, Python is a key, length is a 6 characters, is 2 characters, easy 4 characters, language 8 characters, like that. Each word from the given string as the key of the dictionary and its length as the value of the dictionary generated. Come on, check it guys here. Any confusions there? Is it clear everyone? So they are giving task like that and as per that we have to write. And if you don't want to write this line separately, so here this one in this place you can write directly. Okay, so string converted into list of words, then every word coming here, that word has a key of the dictionary and its length as a value of the dictionary created. Okay, when we are attending the interviews guys, like that the task they are giving, as per that we have to write the logic. Okay, no? So if you don't want to write this line, I said this single line, this one you can write directly here. So in a single line only you are able to get it. Okay, without comprehension, if you are writing normal for loop, this one normal for loop, if you are writing normal for loop conditions later, so string will there guys, and the string using the split method converted into list of words and one dictionary object related. Okay, so word dict or dict word, so word dict or else word dictionary, word dictionary like I created one empty dictionary I created. Now for loop we can write for word in list of words, for word in list of words guys. So every word is getting from the list of words, so we have to check it. If word if word not in this word dictionary, come on, let me know guys. So first time which word is coming into the word using the for loop, Python is coming here. This Python not in this word dictionary returns true or false. Returns true or false, let me know. What is the result? This if condition returns true or false. I'm asking this one, why you are not giving replies? You're not understanding? More than 60 people there, only 2 people given reply. Okay. Don't sit ideally action. So now here, first time word Python is getting into here using for loop. Now in this word Python is there. Python not in this word dictionary. Right now, first time not there. If not there, then return true. Then going inside, so into this dictionary, this word as a key I'm adding. Okay, and for this key count 1 I'm adding this. Okay, here my question is every word how many times repeated? Every word how many times repeated? If we want find out, so then here we can write like this. So how to find out every word how many times repeated? How to find out every word how many times repeated? So word is like a key and its count is like a value I want to return. For this is the concept, guys. Okay, so first time 1 I'm assigning to this word. First time, if any word second time repeated, already that word is available here, then false returns. So then in that situation jump into the else block, and next so in this dictionary, wherever this word key is there using this one, guys, existing value 1 we are getting. To that one more value adding. 1 plus 1 2. This 2 value again to this key updating. Third time if coming, already here 2 is there. 2 plus 1 3. 3 is updating to this key. Okay, like that repeatedly executing until completing the list of words. And finally here you can print this word dicta. You can print this word dicta. Okay, so now here all are the one time there, the language 2 times there, guys. Python is easy language and powerful language. So language 2 times there, that's why here 2 there. Okay, now like this we can write, guys, logic, task based logic. So here sometimes giving one string or giving one file. Coming this file handling also we are going to discussing. So every word in this file, every word how many times repeated, how to return key and value format like asking. So you have to write logics like this. Okay, and the next here this one is input string and then so square bracket I'm using, guys. Every word first character I want to return like a list format, guys. List of first characters from the given string. List of first characters I want to return from the given string. Okay, so for I in input string. So here input string means each character is getting into I. So split I'm using. Now here list of words there. Every word you're getting as every word you're getting. So every word first character I want to return, I said. Then word of 0 indexing we can write. Word of 0 indexing. So every word 0 index based character adding into the list and then going to return. Okay, every word first character return as a list format. Okay, now sometimes, guys, so each word, every word which are started with vowel means A, E, I, O, U. Okay, which words are started with vowel, then those words only I want to return. Okay, again conditions we are writing. Every word is getting here. So this word first character is available in vowel or not, checking. If yes, that word only adding to here. So next here one more condition we are writing. So like that, depending on the situations, n number of programs, so we can write it depending on the situations. Okay, guys. Okay. So now here today I'll upload materials comprehension related, check theoretical points, 4 types of comprehensions there. So right now 3 types explain the list, dictionary, set. Okay, this is I will let you know separately. So list comprehension provide a concise way to create the list. It consists of brackets. This entire syntax I explained, guys. So here this is the syntax, remember. Okay. So here a number of examples I given. Sequence of numbers generating, and next here the square values generating. Using the normal for loop like this generating. Using the comprehension like this generating. Okay. From using the for loop each value getting, and its power value x is nothing but sequence value. Into 2 means power value is nothing but square value. 2 times means square value you're getting. Okay. So each value square values you're getting. And next, so here the sequence of elements there, guys. So each value multiply with 3 and return result. Okay. And next here list of words there. Every word first letter written like a list of characters. And here the uppercase format list of characters there converted into lower character. Okay, each character is getting that character with lower method. I'm using lower character getting. And now here upper character format printing lower characters. Okay, so now here the some characters and the numbers there, guys. Combination of characters and numbers there. I want to return only digits. I want to return only digits. Okay, so first for loop we are writing this one. From this string each value getting into x, that x is a digit or not checking here. If it is a digit true return, then that x value adding into the list. So finally only numbers you're getting in the form of string only. List of numbers you're getting. Okay. So again this string type number, guys, this string type number using the int casting, if you are converting, so list of integer formats creating. That is all your wish. Whatever the format we want, we can add it. Okay. So like this, this is a each digit function, lower function, upper function. This all we discussed in the string handling, and here we applied as per the requirement. Okay, now. So the same logics, guys, using the set comprehension, using the curly brace syntax, we can write. That is your wish. Key column value format, if you are writing, that is dictionary comprehension. Okay. So here dictionary comprehension syntax like this there. Syntax. And so this is one program, very, very important, guys. One program, number of times asked. Now check it here. List 1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 4 like this, and 6 to 2 equal to, so here the 100, 200, 300, 400 like that. Okay, both lists there, guys. So first list elements has the keys of the dictionary, second list elements has the values of the dictionary. How to generating, how to return a dictionary object which consists first list elements as the keys of the dictionary and the second list elements as the values of the dictionary. That is the task. Okay, so now here print dictionary comprehension key value format I want. Okay, so now here for something for I, later I'll change it, guys. For in we have a GIF function, guys. The GIF function is there, global function, GIF function is there. So to that list 1 comma list 2 as input we can use it. Okay, so GIF function behavior is from the both lists, first elements taking first time, second time second elements taking, third time third elements taking, like that. Okay, from the list 1 first element, from the list 2 first element, both elements reading and return to here. So it is like a object, guys, contains list 1 value, list 2 value. Okay, so it is a packed object, guys. So that's why here I comma j like I'm using. So into the I, list one element, into the J, list two element, you are going to get it. Okay, na? I comma J. So now those both values here we can use. So I column J, I column J. Okay, we are using. So now check it here.
Sir, I
Wait.
have a question. I just have a question.
Wait.
Yeah.
I'll complete this one and
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. So here the key column value format you're getting. So actually here from this both list, first values were there 1, 100. So it's like a one tuple format seeding guys. It's like one tuple format. Okay. So this entire object return to here. Okay, return to here. Here this tuple length is what? 2. So that's why two variables I used. This is called unpacking. Okay, so first value into first variable, second value into second variable assigning. So this I and j as a key column value format I used. So here unpacking concept also used internally. That's why you're getting like this key column value format. Okay, yeah, tell me what is your doubt?
In the tuple, does it only contains two things, or can we also increase more than two? For example, in one tuple, we have the elements from list 1 and list 2. Okay. Can we also make like in zip folder, can we pass three lists like list 1, list 2, list 3, and similarly the tuple would be like element from list 1, list 2, and list 3. Is it possible? And
Yes. Three list related first element taking and creating like one tuple object. Then the tuple object contains three values. You can assign to three variables I, comma j, comma k. And those three variables you can use as per your requirement.
So zip is like it can create a tuple from whatever the list you are going to pass as an input.
Yes.
Okay, it doesn't. Okay, thank you, sir.
So and here one more point. For example, in the list 2, more values there. Okay, not considering this extra value. List 1, list 2 related common size 4 is there. Common size 4. Okay, so up to these 4 values considering and this last value not considering. Okay, now also you're getting like this. Sometimes when attending interviews like this, both are different length giving, so maybe error coming like that selecting. So even though extra value there, not considering this one, so equal size only considering key value format add. Okay, GIF function behavior is that. Okay guys, here in this material, so you can go through that one. This example given here. So keys and values format I given, GIF function I used here. So key value format you're getting. Okay. So here the dict casting function also you can use like this dictionary format you're getting. Comprehension concept I used. Okay. So here the each value as a key and its square value. Okay. Power values relation. So as a values given here. So these all explained already. So here number of examples there is number of examples there. What is happening here? Sequence of numbers generating, each value sending to this condition. So x into 3 means power of 3, given value power of 3, finding that value modulo division by 4 equal to 0 or not checking. Okay, check it here. So below maps with numbers to their cubes that are divisible by 4. So each number from this sequence finding the each number related a cube value finding and that number divisible by 4 or not checking. If yes, then that number as a key and its cube value as a value printing. Okay, so like this. So here number of examples are given. Check it. Here the states there guys and the capital cities there. So each state as a key and its capital city as a value displaying. Okay, na dictionary format. So like a number of examples there, set comprehension and all there guys. So list to set to dictionaries looking like a same in braces only changing. Generator comprehension in the next session I will let you know guys. In the next session I will let you know generator comprehension. Okay, just 10 minutes over, but after this event, some people are having other classes. So I'll stop now here. I'll continue the generator comprehension in next session. So generator comprehension looking like a list, tuple comprehension, but not tuple. So it is a very, very important in the real time. Generator comprehension. Don't miss the next session. So for introduce, it is very, very important. Okay, and memories wise, performance wise, efficiency wise, generator comprehensions are more powerful compared to the normal iterations. Okay, so we will discuss about that in the next session. Thank you for this session. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.